Arc-Fil is a wire forming company. Our founder, a mechanical engineer, left his country as a young man seeking opportunity. He came here to live the American dream. Arriving in the port of Montreal with nothing but the clothes on his back, he applied his knowledge and work ethic to great success. 40 years later, Arc-Fil is a North American leader in wire forming. His two sons, the current owners, continue his traditions of applying knowledge, integrating technology, and finding satisfaction in quality work. Each year, Arc-Fil uses enough wire to wrap 5 times around the planet. Our employees are passionate. Their first goal is to meet the needs of our customers, many of whom have been with us for years. Our customers are first and foremost our partners. With them, we develop the wire parts that best meet their objectives of quality, reliability, and efficiency. Our engineers model the parts, program the robots, and we then mass produce on demand. Identical products, perfectly calibrated, without imperfections.
It is really the balance between the machine and the human that is our strength. At Arc-Fil, we're pushing the limit in the field of wire forming.
If you can imagine it, we can make it.